Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kucoin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official KuCoin website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal where you can enter your credentials to log in. You can either use your email address or your phone number. Click on whichever option you wish to use and then enter your email or your phone. After entering either one of these, enter your account password within the password box and now click on the login button. Once you click on login, you will be asked to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to check your inbox or your SMS to find your verification code. So check your inbox or your phone SMS and you will find your verification code right away. You can then simply enter this code within the verification box and now you will be logged in to your KuCoin account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the forgot your password option within the login portal which you can click on in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.